Hey, this is just an update and a reminder about ResolveCon. If you don't know what the heck ResolveCon is, we are getting together a bunch of Resolve geniuses, many of whom I'm sure you've watched videos from, people that are amazing at teaching Resolve, and we're going to have them all in one place for a super nerdy weekend at the end of August. It's going to be in Portland, Oregon, and I'm inviting you to come and hang out with us. It's 3 full days of learning editing, fusion, color grading, audio mixing, rendering, and workflow. All of the things that you need to know to make videos with Resolve, taught by some of the most talented teachers I've ever met. All the presenters at this conference have been personally invited by me, and it's going to be a weekend that you are not going to forget. We're going to be streaming it live here on my YouTube channel, but we're only streaming part of it. To get the full experience, you need to come in person. We have tickets available right now at ResolveCon.com, and they're going fast, and next week the price goes up. So you want to make sure that you get your tickets before the price goes up. If you've been wanting to dive deeper in Resolve, this is an amazing opportunity to do so. You can hang out with the experts and ask them questions, show your projects, and work through things with them. We'll have presentations and workshops and Q&A sessions with Daria Fissoon on color, Cullen Kelly on color, Darren Mostyn on color, Bernd Klim on fusion, Patrick Sterling on fusion, Mr. Alex Tech on editing and workflow, Kevin Stratford on editing and workflow, Jason Yadlovsky on audio. And there's even some secret guests that I can't quite tell you about yet, but they're freaking awesome. I wish I could tell you. We're planning some amazing opportunities. We're going to have an Iron Chef style competition with the presenters, as well as some of the guests in person. We're going to be competing to make a short film that's going to be judged by some of the presenters, and it's only for in-person people. We're going to have in-person giveaways from Blackmagic and some of our other sponsors. Plus, you'll get to hang out with some of the coolest Resolve nerds on the planet. I will also be there. And it's all going to be in one place, one jam-packed weekend. And yes, we're going to get ice cream together. I'm inviting you to ice cream. So come on. If you've been on the fence on should I go, should I not go, this is a sign that you should go. ResolveCon 23, it's August 25th through 27th in Portland, Oregon. Get your tickets now at ResolveCon.com. Book your flights, book your hotels. It's going to be the best. I hope to see you there.